Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about the notification for engagement of ITI apprentice under Apprentice Act 1961 in Airport Authority of India Northern Region. So we are discussing the post available in the Airport Authority of India in Northern Region. So the posts available are the specialization of or discipline are ITI trade, computer operator, programming assistant or stenographer, office assistant, finance and electronics. The number of seats available are 14 and duration of training is 1 year. The monthly stipend provided by the AI are 9,000 and the locations of or airport apprenticeship training at northern region airports are Ahmedpur, Agra, Berli, Bikaner, Dehradun, Gorakhpur, Gwalior. So there are so many places are available. So go through the notification available in the official site. And the last date of application is 24/1/2021. So please read the general instruction carefully before applying. And the education qualifications are ITA trade candidate should possess ITA or NCVT certificate of the above mentioned trades from institution recognized by AICT or GOI. And these are the educational qualification. And also there are so many conditions that apprentice shall have to undergo apprentice training at notified airports or establishment, and the terminated their apprenticeship midway or pursued the other organization or AI with the same qualification level shall not be eligible for engagement as apprenticeship. So there are so many conditions are available. And the mode of selection of the Apprenticeship Act are the professional selection of the candidates would be merit based in qualifying examination. So there is a examination for qualification. So the candidate must be qualified that examination, and the final selection will be based on the interview or verification of certificate and testimonials and submission of medical fitness certificate at the time of joining. So these are the mode of selections. And the candidate shortlisted candidates will be called for interview or document verification through their registered email IDs only. And selected candidates will be posted preferably at the given location in northern region based on their registration location in portal. So these are the modes of selection. So there will be an exam. The candidate must qualify that exam, and after that there will be a interview or verification of certificate and testimonials and submission of medical fitness at the time of joining. And the eligibility criteria are, the first one is Indian nationals from the northern regions are eligible, and candidates passed degree or diploma on or after 2018 are eligible, and age limit is maximum age is 26 years on 1/7/2020. So these are the eligibility criteria, and the last date of submission of application is 24/01 and 2021. So the interested candidates are required to apply through the RDAT's web portal www.apprenticeshipindia.org by finding the establishment Airport Authority of India bar RHQNR, New Delhi. So the establishment for applying for this post is given in this notification. So please go through that, and the candidate should themselves register with the concerned port RDAT prior to applying for apprenticeship training in AI without fail. So there will be no TA and DA will be provided for the examination and the interview. And so that's all about the other general instructions. And the next one is so in here it is clear that in the notification it is said that will be no application fees charged. So there are no fee for the application, and the candidate's application should be professional subject to verification of certificate and testimonials and submission of certificate of medical officer at time of joining. So if you have any queries related to the submission of application, please contact with the mail apprenticeship at nstcindia.org or apprenticeshipindia.org. So these are all about the job notification or apprenticeship notification. So these are the remaining portions related to the apprenticeship portal. So how to register, how to register for this exam, or how to register for this application. So the candidate, first one is candidate register. So go to the portal http://apprenticeshipindia.org and go to the website and register button. Click the register button on the toolbar and select the candidate, and there will be the remaining portions will be easier to correct. So after completing this, and go to the submit button and click the submit button, and they will provide a registration number, and then after that you have a mail from your mail, and open that mail and activate your account, and after that you have to log in with that mail ID and registration number and password, and after logging, complete the profile according to your wish. And if you after completing this profile, and there will be so many questions asked in the profile. So after completing, and you have to select the establishment. So you have to select select a course type, or select a course, or select a location. So search by establishment name. So there are so many filters are available. So applying here, just type the opportunities available in AAI. So if you are typing that AAI, they already said that what to type in the filter. So after typing that word or keyword, just click into the view, and they will be providing the details, and apply as per your wish. So these are the steps for applying for this AI application. So please go through the notification clearly. It's available in the official website. So that's all about today's discussion. So don't forget about the last date of the application, that is 24 January 2021. So please apply this for before the due date. So thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.